But now the problem is, because of the lockdown, I can't go anywhere. So this is all meaningless now. But I want to be set up and ready to go when I'm able to travel. This isn't closed. What idiot doesn't close his top box? Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Riding on the Strom. What are we doing today? We're talking about Rok Straps. Straps. Yes, Rok Straps. I am new to packing bikes, adventure touring, and I have now discovered the great use of Rok Straps. They come in two sizes. This is the smaller one. This is 42 inches, and this is the larger one. This is 60 inches. And we're getting rid of the bungee net. No more. Now, how do I use these? Excuse all the multiple straps here. This is an example of how I do it for day rides. I'm just taking the chair, and I've got my top box here. The smaller Rok Straps fit really nicely into this passenger handlebar here, and I just do a crisscross across here, and that keeps it pretty well secure. But now, if we ever get out of lockdown, we want to plan for overnight rides. And I got to be sure I get all my hooks on here. So I am kind of, I don't mean to be out of the shot, but I am kind of noticing that one thing about these Kriega hooks is if you're not careful, they fall off. So how are we going to rock for overnight trips? How are we going to pack our stuff? So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to ignore this shoulder strap. I'm not going to have that on there. We are going to take advantage of the larger Rok Straps, kind of in the same position right here. And we are going to do the bigger Rok Strap, and we're just going to go crisscross like this. And again, this is tied to the passenger handlebar. And then let's see, we're going to go with the big one over here. This is the Rok Strap here, and we're going to go like this. So it's the same setup as for the chair, crisscross. We'll cinch that down a little bit. And the thing about the Kriega straps versus the Rok Straps on this bike, I don't know if anybody else has had better success with this, but I really haven't found a way to put these straps under the seat and tie them to the subframe. There really isn't a space there to get the straps around the subframe the way I would prefer. There's plenty of space between the bike and the seat. That's not the issue, but I'd really like to have a secure thing on there. And the other thing I notice just right now is that these hooks tend to come off. And you lose one of these, you're kind of screwed. Compared to the Rok Straps that are always strapped on, no matter what. So, to continue my story here though, this is how I was thinking about doing this. Now I've got a 30-liter dry pack right here for my clothes. And I've got a 20-liter dry pack from Kriega. And I'm going to use these Kriega straps and strap this onto the bigger bag. See, it came off. That's annoying. But this is my first go at trying this, seeing how the best way to do this. And so I'm just going to tie this smaller bag down to the bigger bag. And there we go. We're all set for an overnight trip and tour up the California coast. So that's what I'm thinking right now. I think that's pretty good. I've also tested this sitting on it. I'm not going to do that for you. It does kind of hamper. I've noticed once you put a lot of stuff here, it does hamper opening this, but I don't worry about that right now. The other thing I'm having an issue is now where do I put the chair? So I'm going to figure that out. But I will have to say, just dealing with it right now on camera, I don't know if I really want these. Maybe I just do another set of big Rok straps and do the seat in this. And let's do that. And I have really bought into the Kriega ecosystem here. I'm kind of thinking that Kriega dry packs are to men as Gucci handbags are to women. They're very expensive, but these things will outlive me. Yeah, I'm not feeling the Kriega straps here. I just think this is, you know, to try to find these, you got to take into account the long trip that you're on and the fatigue that you have. And the last thing you want to do is lose some little strap on the road or at the hotel parking lot or something like that. So I'm actually going to go back and check this out some more and maybe just do all the bags with Rok straps. I mean, I did buy extra. Well, thanks guys. I appreciate you watching this. I know that a majority of my viewers know about packing stuff and Rok straps, and they're much more proficient at this than me. But I just want to get on the road. I don't really care about how I pack this as long as it's secure. So thanks guys. Appreciate all the support. And for 2021, I am rocking a beard, as you've noticed probably. I don't know what people think about that, but I was thinking it was kind of my ode to the late Sean Connery. But now I can't get a haircut, can't get to the barber. I'm really creeping into the Nick Nolte mugshot territory, so I'm a little worried about that. But for now, we're keeping the beard. But I will see you guys in the next one. I'm going to do a riding video pretty soon. Just do a day ride and get all these straps off of here. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, hit post notifications to get notified every time I do a video. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys.